Hello there. Good afternoon, my fellow students. How are you today? Today, we're about to look at geometric progression. So, I know you've been taught what is called first time, the common ratio, and so on and so forth. So, let's look at the following example and know how it goes. Now, the question is find a geometric progress for which the sum of first two terms is minus 4. And the fifth term is 4 times the third term. Here comes the question. Find a geometric progress for which the sum of first two terms is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So remember that first term in geometric is A and the common ratio is R. But in this case, it is said that we should find the geometric progress for which the sum of first two terms. So the sum of first two terms is, we have the sum of first two terms. So the first term is A plus the second term is minus 4. So let's say equation 1. And the fifth term, A r raised to power 4 is equals to, is 4 times the third term. 4 times the third term. So the third term is AR squared. Let's say equation 2. So now, how do we find the progression? But now I said it earlier that the first term is denoted as A, while the common ratio is R. So from equation 2, you will agree with me that since AR raised to power 4 is equals to 4AR squared, so we can easily get our common ratio from here. So we have A raised to power 4 over AR squared is equals to 4. So A cancel A, 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. So we now have R squared is equals to 4. So R is equals to plus or minus square root 4. So R is equals to plus or minus 2. That is for the common ratio. So now we can now find the first term. So now if we substitute the common ratio, which is plus or minus 2 to the first term, we have A plus AR is equals to minus 4. So we have A into bracket 1 plus R if you factorize. So we now have A into bracket 1 plus 2, which is equals to minus 4. So we have A into bracket 3 is equals to minus 4. So we now have A is equals to minus 4 over 3. Now we have gotten our first term, and we're also gotten our common ratio. It is first term is minus 4 over 3, while our common ratio is plus or minus 2. So we can now write 3 progressions from this. So how do we write it? We have minus 4 over 3, then the second one, which is AR, it is minus 4 times 2, that is minus 8 over 3. Then another one is 16, minus 16 over 3, and so on. So that is that, guys. Any question? If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. I will gladly reply you. Thanks. Have a nice day.